Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the items in Baddie Pass, and I'm going to tell you guys how you can complete it easily. So this is the Baddie Pass. This is the items that you can get. The ones on top are free, that everyone can get here. There are a lot of cute items. You basically need to just play to earn XP and climb the tiers to unlock cash stars and exclusive items. There is something new which I am not a big fan of because I've already paid for VIP, and the last Baddie Pass it was just free and the one at the bottom was VIP, and now you're telling me I have to purchase diamond to get these. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, guys, but this is what the Baddie Pass looks like. Pretty interesting if you ask me. I am interested in opening these items, but I don't know. I don't play this game that much anymore, but it's still fun. It's just I don't know if I want to spend this much money for it. So I don't know, guys. Should I get the diamond? That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.